Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little just packaging up some embellishments. You guys already saw my little rosettes. Now I want to package them up. I'm loving these little boxes, especially the size. It's a 3x3 by 1.5 inch favorite box from Hobby Lobby. Again, use your coupon or they're 50% off when I got them. So it's these clear little acetate boxes, already die cut. All you got to do is fold and assemble. No glue, no nothing. No huss and fuss. So literally you just bend it backwards, and usually I send embellishments like this, like I'll just put like a little pop dot, put two of them, put them in packaging with a bag topper. Like that's my traditional go-to, but I've been finding it fun to, you know, do new ways of packaging it up, because I don't know, sometimes it's just more fun. So I've been sticking all those Michaels clearance beads in here, and then I also stuck that Hobby Lobby clearance confetti because it comes with so much. You could fill an entire box and you still have enough confetti to last you a year. Bellies are just I'm gonna do 2 in a box. Look how cute that is, you guys. Like, isn't that set? That looks like a lot more than 2, but it's not. But I want to should add some little, like a puffball sequins mix in there. So I bought some of these confetti. These are from Disco Dolly. She was selling them. I don't know if she's still selling them, but I'm just gonna kind of line the box. Look how fun that is. Ooh, they're staticky. So did you guys just see that on camera? I like straight up stuck to the box, which is good. These 2 are my favorite. So then the other 2 go with it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this guy in and this guy, and look, it's so chunky and fits perfect. It's up. Cute. And then my next one, let me pop that up real quick. And confetti, what's crazy is like a little bit goes a long way because it's so thin. Stick this guy in, and then this guy. It just pops in like a normal top loading box. Okay, then what I've been doing is, this is just some glitter pink tulle from like Joann's. It's like the normal spool size. I'm just cutting a piece about 2 feet and then folding it over and over because I'm going to cut it directly in half. I want thin pieces for each box. I'm just going to tie this into like a bow on the top and then add a little charm. So you start on the top, twist on the bottom, and bring it up. A little bow on the very top. I don't know if you guys can like see the poof of it. Using the Sweet Story again, continuing on with that collection. Look how much of this chipboard I use. I think this is the most I've ever used of any chipboard. Isn't that crazy? Peeled off half of the sticky part, and then I stitched in my sewing machine. And now I'm going to use my crocodile just to turn it into a dangle. Right there's good. And I'm gonna make a little charm. Do pink because there's already a little pink bow right there at the top. Okay, so camera cut out, but I added a little I set a little eyelet, and then I added some sequins and then several jump rings because I kind of want it to hang a little bit down. But I'm gonna add a big lobster clasp with like a doodad, and they swivel. I also want to add like a dangle thing, so like that, and then I'm going to add the other one to the bottom jump ring. There we go, little chapel. What did I just say? And then because this is on a string thingamabob, look how cute, just a little like dangle box embellishment. So I think that's just, I mean, this is my new favorite way. I've been packing up beads, confetti, now embellishments, using this method with these boxes. So those boxes are definitely, and they have different sizes in the party section. So for this second box, I'm gonna add a little handmade pom-pom. I did do this on one of my beaded ones to the center of the bow, and you just tie it on real quick. How cute. And then I just leave the strings hanging so they can untie this and reuse it. Okay, so I finished that one. I just did a little furry pom-pom charm from Allie and a wire wrap one with a little butterfly. Dangle, chipboard dangle. And yeah, how fun is this? Like, it's just like a whole nother like project holding little projects. It's cute. Packaging, presentation, on point. Is it always on point? No, but today for these little guys, it is. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.